I heard some pretty good reviews about the Derrick law firm. Um, I wanted to make sure that I worked with a law firm that would give me that personal touch. I didn't want to feel like I was just a number or just another case. Um, and from what I've heard about the Derrick law firm, you guys do that very, very well. And I can say that my attorney, Ben Tripp, he was amazing from the beginning. He made me feel like he actually cared about what was happening. Like I wasn't just like a paycheck to him. He was actually concerned about me. He actually checked on me. He actually made me feel like a person. And I appreciated that so much. And not to mention that the Derrick Law Firm has done an amazing job with the case. So, yeah, that's why I chose them. The best part was knowing that you guys were just a phone call or a text away. I mean, there was literally an entire team. Like anytime I needed something, even if it was simple, even if I just need to say hi, you guys were available. And, going through grief and depression, that can happen sometimes. I might want to call up my attorney. I might want to call up Ben and say, hey, how's it going today? And he was so patient with me. And I'm sure he had a million things to do. But I really appreciated that. I really appreciate the fact that you guys actually kind of made me feel like a family member. There were a lot of people on the team that I interacted with. Every single one of them provided me with anything I needed or anything I asked for. They did it with speed. They did it with pleasure. They never made me feel like I was bothering them. At every step of the way, they kept me informed. They made me feel really good. They made me feel like I was important. They made me feel like they cared. And that's everyone, even like coming into the office, the receptionist offering me my favorite coffee or a bottle of water. Like, it seems simple, but it's really it's really helpful when you're walking into a place and you're already, nervous or upset or something. And then you have a smiling face that's like, hey, we've got some coffee here. Every interaction with you guys has just been pleasant and polite. And, you have a way of taking people's minds off of what they're dealing with, just because you guys are so pleasant.